Hi guys, it's Jason, and if you're interested in making money on YouTube, you have come to the right spot. As in this video, I'll be showing you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face, with proof and steps to follow. Plus, stick around and watch the whole video, as I'll be showing you some bonus content that is sure to blow your mind. But before we get into all that, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button, and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I'll be releasing daily videos on how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so the first channel I'll be showing you is a channel by the name of MK. I know you're probably thinking that I'll be talking about how you can use Creative Commons video and all of that and split it. No, this is a straight no BS video. Anyway, he uses content from Reddit. He uses the posts, he goes into Reddit and uses various posts, funny posts and all of that, and posts it on his YouTube page. And yes, he's monetized. But the way that he got monetized is because he uses his own voice.
1.3 million in
other
revenue.
channels have been using robot voices, that's why they have been demonetized.
Post results.
So how much is this channel actually making?
About these.
Well, according to Social Blade, you can see that he has uploaded over 400 videos and has a massive subscriber count of 1.55 million. And this channel was created only in January 23rd, 2019. So it's only a year now, it's not that old. As you can see, he definitely has ads on his videos. So how much is this channel earning? Well, we'll be estimating that he's getting a CPM of $3. And with a daily view count of 2,460,000, that will leave him with an estimated daily earning of $7,380. And for the month he'll be earning $221,400. Well, I'll show you another example of how you can do this. For example, TikTok. With TikTok videos though, you won't be able to get monetized. So instead of trying to go through YouTube AdSense, why don't you try affiliate marketing? Or setting up your own Shopify shop as explained in a previous video. For instance, you can see that this channel by the name of Succulent, they have 244,000 subscribers. And if you scroll down and look in their video description, you can see where they're advertising an affiliate program for Stardust LEDs. And you can see here, that's their reference. They get money every time somebody clicks on this link and buys a product. Also, they're advertising another affiliate program right here, and they are using the Bitly link. Well, you may be saying how many people actually go down into the description and actually click on the link. Well, let's check it out. With Bitly, you can check out the link. You can check out how much times a link has been clicked on by simply pasting the link and putting plus in front of it, plus behind it. So after doing that, you can see that so far, from April of last year to now, they have gained 80,976 links. And for January alone, they have gone over 4,651 links. So if even 1% of that amount of purchase, they have made good money so far, because this website sells a variety of products at various prices. From a majority of the products average a price of $26. And there are numerous TikTok pages that does the same thing. As you can see, this one that goes by the name of Laughs does a similar thing. And if we were to check out how much time their Bitly link has been clicked on that they are promoting a product, you will realize that, hold on, let's check. Since January, they have gained 730 link clicks. Also, here's another channel that does the same thing, that pastes memes from and variety of stuff from TikTok. And they are also advertising affiliate programs. If you are to check out how much their Bitly link has been clicked on, So far they have gotten 36 clicks since morning. $674 clicks for January alone. And here's another example, but instead of using affiliate program, this channel that goes by the name of Memes Family actually set it up a Shopify page, which to me is one of the best ways to make money on YouTube, even if you have a monetized channel. And you can see when we visit their website, Storm Ice Ultimate, they're actually advertising a sunglass that they claim that they are giving away for free. But when you check it out, the hustle about this is you pay extra for shipping. For instance, let's go over to AliExpress and look at a similar sunglass. More than likely they're selling theirs from AliExpress. You can see here AliExpress has one for $3. So you would tell the customer, and then shipping, probably you can see free shipping. So you would estimate and tell the customer that is $9.99 for shipping, just for argument's sake. So that $6 would be profit, and then you just use the $3 to purchase the item. So how many visitors does this website actually get? Well, to find that out, we'll be using SimilarWeb, and SimilarWeb so far has proven to be very reliable in showing the amount of visits that a website is getting. And you can see that since this website has been created, it has gotten over 400,000 visitors. So if you are to even estimate that 1% of that 400,000 visitors that they have gotten so far have made a purchase, that will be 4,000 buys. And 4,000 buys times, even for instance, they say a profit of $3. That's a lot of money. So you can see there are many ways to make money off YouTube without getting monetized. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and stick around until this far, be sure to like and subscribe, as I plan on releasing a lot more content. Thank you.